Okay, so now I've got this drill bit, and you see right there, right where the biceps tubercle is, where I want the tendon, the labrum to go back down on. And I'm going to just drill a nice hole here. There's the line. I'll put this anchor right here, down. We'll mallet it down just like that. And then I'll remove the sutures. I'll show you in a second. Just like this. And there we go. There's your anchor. It's nice and taut, just like that, and it's right where the bicep should be. And I'll show you how we pass these here in a second. Okay.